Hello guys, I'm Mandul Johnson and you're welcome to Honest Conversations with Music and Tea. Yeah, apologies, we ghosted and it happens, life happens and things happen. But today let's get straight to the point. So I will be talking about using contemporary musical styles in the church as a music minister, as a worship band. This is my take on it. I was in a discussion panel some time back at a church and we talked about this, and I'll just share my point of view about it, and I hope it helps you. I hope it helps you as a worship band or as a music minister. Now, first thing I would say is, if Jesus was in this time and the triumphant entry would happen, I don't think it would be on a donkey anymore. So the times would also provide the means for what would happen. That's one. Is it okay to use contemporary musical styles in the church for worship? I think it is fine as long as it is glorifying God. I think it is alright. It is very okay as far as you are directing people to God. As far as when people listen to that music, what they see, what they hear is God and not something else. Let's talk about this. People using lines from secular songs in a worship service or something. I totally disagree with that. Reason is, when you play those lines, when you sing those melodies, what does it remind the people? You see their reaction to it and you know that this reaction has nothing to do with God, has nothing to do with giving glory to God. So I don't think that is right. That is absolutely wrong. Worship and music in church should lead people, should direct people's attention to God and not something else. Anything that takes people's attention away from God, to reminding them of one party they went to, or reminding them of one secular song that they've heard somewhere, it is absolutely a no. Be creative. You can decide to use Afro. Yes, try Afro in your church. Be creative, but make sure it's your duty as a worship leader to make sure that you are pointing people to Christ. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Cheers, guys.